record that I didn't want anybody to hear this particular song. It seemed too sad bastard music for me, and so I didn't put it out on my first or second record, Nothing But the Water or Original Soul. And then finally, when I signed with the record company, they're like, okay, but we're going to go back and get that song that you didn't do. And I fought against it forever and ever. And then I finally said, okay, we'll record it, but it'll be like a B-side in Japan, you know. Well, that B-side that never made it to Japan was one of the bigger songs that's ever happened to me. Not because it became a hit or anything, but because it ended up in a pile of CDs shuffled around in a fine gentleman's boat down in St. John by the name of Kenny Chesney. And it was a friend of mine who had somehow shuffled it into that pile. She worked with him, and so she just threw it in there. And then he ended up just throwing it into a 10 CD disc changer, and he went out on his boat one night and was looking up at the sky, and this song came on, my song, and he said, I gotta get that damn voice. I'm gonna get it for this one song. And he was thinking about recording this song, You and Tequila, by Matresa Berg and Dina Carter. And he knew the second that he heard my voice that it was the voice he wanted for that song. So this song led to a piece of my career that I can never undo, and I never would if I could. I'm very proud of it. But it's just so beautiful how those weird little wormholes happen. So I love sharing that story with everybody. It's a song called Apologies. Yesterday he said my eyes were fading fast away. I said, well, what do you expect? You asked me not to stay. And if it had all been for the best, I wouldn't feel this way. He said, oh, he said, it's crazy how love stays with me. Yeah, you know it hurts me, 'cause I don't wanna fight this war. And it's amazing to see me read through the sea of love and fear. And my love is like a blanket, gets a little bit too warm sometimes. I wanna wrap somebody in it who can hold me in his arms. 'Cause when it got a little too hot in there, he was always stepping out for air, and he froze. Oh, he froze. He says it's crazy how love stays with me. Yeah, you know it hurts me, 'cause I don't wanna fight this war. And it's amazing to see me reading through the scene of love and fear. And apologies. Yesterday he looked at me with a tear in his eye and said, I'll always tell you you're my friend. I hope I don't have to lie, because it's clear you love another man. And I said, you're damn right. And he said, oh, he said, me, then